Good morning. Yes, I look great. I wanted to wake up today and film like a vlog slash day in the life of like a mom. I don't know. Some people really enjoy these videos. I enjoy these kinds of videos, seeing how other moms do things, seeing the reality of other people's lives. Wow, look at that mascara. I swear I washed my face last night. I haven't this morning yet. But anyways, I like seeing the reality of people's real lives, not just the shit when you snap a picture on Instagram and everything looks perfect, because that's not reality. Sure as hell is not my reality. So anyways, I'm up. Like I said, I haven't washed my face yet this morning. I am doing laundry, so that's fun. Having my protein coffee. I'll probably also just include what I'm eating today because I am following WW again. I switched back to the blue plan. I like my free chicken and eggs, sorry, but I do. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys through the day. I might even show you my skincare routine that I do in the mornings just for funsies. So okay, so I wanted to show you guys my like daytime skin routine, give or take. It changes every now and then. I already washed my face. I used the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam, which I got, I believe, in my April BoxyCharm. This cleans really well without stripping the skin. However, the smell is awful. It's like a very natural herbally smell, but it almost smells like feet. So just be aware of that. The first thing I'm going to do, sorry the angle's weird. I got a new phone, and my tripod that has like the thing that like stretches to hold phones, my phone's too wide. So I'm going to first use a toner. I got this in an Allure beauty box. I have another toner that I use at night, but I don't have a daytime one, so I'm just going to use this. This is just called the Akar Skin Balance Toner. I don't know if it really does anything, but whatever. And I'm using these little cotton pads from Ulta. It's their brand. And I like these because unlike cotton rounds or like even cotton balls, it doesn't shed, because I hate that. So I am just going to get that extra mascara crap. I got that big pile of laundry done. Now I have another one going, and there's another one in the dryer. So it's gonna be a laundry filled day today. The next step I do is a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is something that helps like brighten your skin. I believe it also firms your skin. And the brand I use is CeraVe. I don't know. This has 10% pure vitamin C. I'm not sure what like the average is. I don't know, but looks like these. And I just take like this much for my face. I'll try to leave the prices in the video, which I'm sure is, I've already put pop-ups, but I just now thought of it for all these products. Now this next one, I don't know that this does anything, but I bought it and I've been using it, and I'm just gonna use it up. I want to repurchase it because I want to say that it works, but I don't know. This is the Physicians Formula 24 Karat Gold Collagen Serum. Now the reason I really want to use this specifically after baby is born is to help with the elasticity of my skin once I start losing weight. Aren't I a broken record always talking about losing weight? Anyways, all right. The last thing I do during the day is a moisturizer. However, you should always be using an SPF, even if like right now most of us aren't going outside, but I am in front of a window and those rays still get through. So SPF is important. So I kind of combine that step with my moisturizer during the day, and I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield Water Gel Sunscreen. This is SPF 25, but it's a water gel like moisturizer. I used to have the original of this. It didn't have the SPF, it was just the moisturizer. And I love it, but I actually bought the Meyer brand this time just because it's the exact same thing and it's cheaper. But I use this during the day sometimes too, but I wanted to add SPF because I am in front of a window right now, and I heard that SPF is one of the best things you can do to prevent aging, is to wear SPF, even if you are just going from like your house to your car or from your car to the store. You should always have a little bit on because those rays get through your car windows too. All right, and that is what I do during the day. Now, if I was gonna go immediately with makeup, I would use like a primer water right after. I don't know if I want to put makeup on today. I mean, I'm not going anywhere either way. And I just want to catch up on laundry and stuff. But I am filming. I don't know, I might throw something on later, but as of right now, you get this face. And I'm sorry. But it is what it is. So I am going to go do some more laundry, and I will show you guys what I make for lunch. Quick side note, I always put some kind of like chapstick or lip product on afterwards. And I just realized this was on my hand. If you're wondering what this is, Jen attempted to draw a heart on my hand last night. Just thought I'd throw that disclaimer out there. So I feel like one of the reasons I hesitate to do vlogs is because you can't put a filter on them like you can a picture, and reality shows through. But even on YouTube, like some of the people I watch who do cleaning videos or organizing videos, their houses, even though they're cleaning them, are already clean compared to mine, and I'm like, I must be a terrible mom, a terrible wife. But that's just reality. Not everyone is going to have a perfect looking house. We have 3 kids, and I'm really pregnant, and I'm having some complications in my pregnancy. So like things are not perfect. Even if none of that was true, like even if I wasn't super pregnant, things still wouldn't be perfect because I'm human, because my kids are human, because it's life. Like it is what it is. But yeah, I think I just get overwhelmed or intimidated because I see these people who have these beautiful houses and these beautiful furniture, and like our furniture, like we bought a cheap set because we have kids, so we knew we were gonna have to replace them eventually. And like there's stuffing that's coming out of like one of the cushions. There's stains, like we're gonna replace them in a couple weeks, but like, so I don't even like showing my house right now until we get that done, because it's reality, and it's probably the reality no one wants to see. And I feel like with YouTube, people come here to get away or to be inspired, and I don't know if anyone would be inspired by anything in my life. So anyways, that was a really long rant for nothing, really. I'm just sitting here for a few to catch my breath because one of the issues I'm having this pregnancy, I had my last pregnancy, is that I have an overactive thyroid. We don't know why it happens during pregnancy, but it causes some symptoms, one of them being tachycardia, where your heart your heart rate's really high for no reason. Not for no reason, it's because you're thyroid, but you're not doing anything to make it high, which makes me short of breath a lot. So right now I am drinking my first 40-ounce cup of water. I'm hoping to get 4 of those. 3 would be great though, because I struggle to get even like 2 some days. So 4 is the goal. I just need to get better about drinking water, but I'm gonna make lunch here shortly. Probably wait a little bit because, like I said, Jen fell asleep because she got mad because I was trying to make her clean, and the girl's a drama queen. But anyways, I'll be back. Are you coloring me a picture? The kids lost all of their crayons. I buy crayons, markers, colored pencils all the time, and somehow they always end up in the trash or missing. So we're coloring with pens, apparently. That's beautiful. I guess oh look, she has marker all over her legs. Once again, reality. And look, there's like underwear on the floor right there. Don't worry, it's clean. It's just from where I moved the laundry basket earlier. This is what I mean by reality. No one else's houses on YouTube look like this, I swear. Like, look at that mess. There's like a pen. Those are beads that I need to throw away. Blanket, toys, a bowl. It is what it is. This is just our reality. So if you don't like it, fuck off. Say hello.
Hello.
She likes to look at herself.
I'm not home.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Nope, you just look at yourself. Who is that? What? Ignore the trash. I got some Amazon packages yesterday, so those boxes need to go out. Water?
Mm-hmm.
You like water? Yeah. You see the cotton coming out of that couch over there?
Play kitchen.
You're gonna play in the kitchen? We don't play in the kitchen.
You say yogurt.
We are out of yogurt. We gotta go to the store tomorrow.
He's gonna do what's at the side.
Okay. You're elbowing my tummy.
You horny.
She can't say Henry, so it comes out horny. Yeah, that's my boobie. Thank you. So the other reality is this part of pregnancy where I have to lay down like on my left side because I start having contractions. Like they're probably just intense Braxton Hicks, but I have to lay on my left side to kind of make them go away. I'm trying to find energy to get back up. I need to make lunch. I'm just exhausted. And I accidentally washed an entire box of dryer sheets. That's how my day's going. That's how it's going. So we had Papa John's for dinner last night, and there's leftovers, which means I can just warm it up for the girls. Does that make me a terrible mom? All right, so this is what I am having for lunch. It is a carb balance tortilla, 2 eggs, cheese, bacon bits, sour cream, and salsa. We haven't gone to the store yet. We're going grocery shopping tomorrow, so not a ton of options right now, but I made it work. I will post the point values for the blue plan, which is what I'm on now, right here. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm on my second 40-ounce cup of water, and I'm also on my second load of laundry. Technically my third, because that first pile that I showed you guys was 2 loads, but fun stuff. I know it's exciting, right? But I FaceTimed Alex for a little bit. Sometimes he'll FaceTime me while he's working, just to talk. But man, he's been working like crazy lately, like despite the pandemic, because especially with everyone getting stimulus checks, everyone's ordering packages, so they're extra busy, which is a catch-22. Like, we're really grateful for it because he's making really good money right now. Just sucks that this had to happen for that to happen. So, but anyways, I'm going to listen to Taylor Swift, fold some laundry. I need to clean my room. It's a little messy. The girls' rooms need cleaned, or room, they share one, needs cleaned. We'll see how far I get today. This has to be the most boring vlog ever, but laying down again because my pelvis is hurting, but I have another basket of laundry waiting. I've actually, since the last clip, did another one. And I don't know how I had laundry caught up and it just multiplies. This is a very attractive angle. Yeah. Anyways, Alex is going to be getting off here in like an hour or so. I need to figure out what to make for dinner, and I will show you guys that. I was going to put makeup on, but it's like almost 4 o'clock. Okay, so I just had a slice of like that cookie from Papa John's from last night. It is 9 points. I tracked it. I have the points for it even after dinner and that and what I had earlier. I still have like 9 points left for the day. For dinner, we'll see how it turns out. It's in the Instapot. We took like a pound or so of chicken breast and a jar of marinara sauce and like a yellow onion and a yellow pepper. Wow. And just threw it in the Instapot so the chicken will shred to do like shredded chicken marinara over like spaghetti. So I think that's what we're gonna do for dinner. Hopefully it turns out okay. I will show you when it's done. I'm still working on my second cup of water, so I'm probably only gonna get 3 today, which is fine. That's still 120 ounces, right? 4 times 3, yeah, 120 ounces. So yeah, I just look like a bum, guys. I should have done something with myself today, but I didn't. Alright, so we have our noodles boiling. Please ignore my stove. I haven't cleaned it today yet. So this came out a lot thicker than I anticipated. And I should count it as points because it was jarred marinara sauce. But I'm not going to count it because most of the sauce itself kind of like evaporated or stuck to the pan. Most of it left is like vegetables and the chicken and a little bit of sauce. So I'm going to count it as 0. Judge me if you want. I don't care. It would have been better had I had like one more jar of sauce or something, but it'll still be good. Just like a thicker sauce. This little shit just offered me an Oreo, knowing I can't have one because I have to wait 2 hours to test my blood sugar while my face is dirty. Blech. Blech. That's pretty. Alright, I guess I should end this vlog. It is after 11. Alex had a couple friends come over and we played a few games on the Xbox. They're called like Jackbox, or I don't know, it's where you can like pull stuff up on your phone and play games like as a group, which is fun. I just realized I didn't wash my face before laying down, but I also didn't wear any makeup today, so I don't feel as guilty about it. I do feel guilty, however, that we ordered Taco Bell after we had dinner, because we're terrible people. Wow, this is such a flattering angle. But the good news is that my blood sugar after dinner, even though we had pasta, was like 96, so no worries there. It's perfectly normal, which my after meal numbers are always normal. It's my fasting numbers that we're trying to get under control. There's Charlie. Anyways, about to go to sleep. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this vlog and it wasn't super boring. I'm sure it's a little boring just because, you know, there's not a lot to do when you're quarantined. Not that we're super quarantined right now, but with Alex working, we don't go many places anyway, so. But I will see you guys in my next video. Good night.